Okay, how to connect your PC to the internet. So this is how you're going to connect it using your phone, your Android phone. You can connect him this la data connection belum internet connection belum golo machine belum so machine belum you can share him this la internet connection one time phone belum. This is how you're going to do it. You look come to this la side by looking sign below Wi-Fi M stop. Now, lo here you click him also by looking no got one la Wi-Fi M show out lo ya. By go back lo phone belum you pull him this la one toolbar belum mantap ya, come down. Toolbar ya, you expand him. Now you click him mobile data and then look for hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot or hotspot. Suppose you know that button belum start to this la toolbar, you select him settings. You go inside lo settings, select him network and internet. Now you select him hotspot and tethering. Select him this la. Now you switch him on Wi-Fi hotspot. Switch him on this Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you click on top of this name Wi-Fi hotspot ya. Click on top long him. You come lo hotspot password. This la password you can send him go come. You can send him this la password go come. So make him password do short so that you can be able to remember. So here me got this la password stop. Me click him OK, and then I'm finish. Internet connection blow you now. I'm pick him lo laptop blow you now. So let him stop him, and this is our password. Okay, so by me go back in lo computer, switch him this la off ken na on him ken. Now you look him name lo hotspot lo me come up lo hap ya. You click him this la, let him this la stop him, and then click him connect. Now you may enter him password now. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then you can see the password by clicking at this end. Now you select him next. Okay, time I'm connect now. You come down low this la task bar by looking this la kind sign bar stop. Alright, so this is the sign that shows you that your internet connection is successful. So your PC is now connected to the internet. And now you can come to browser below you now. You search him internet lo one something you need lo download or search long him.